Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to turn on vibration on your device. So let's get it started. So let's open it. Now see, this is the inbox of your settings. Now scroll down below. Then you can see the option of sound and vibration. So tap on it. Now again scroll down below. Then from here you can see the option of vibration and haptics, which is available on the bottom of your screen. So again tap on it. Then on the right side of the screen you can see the option of enable icon. So just tap on it. Then you have just enabled your vibration on your device, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.